Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a quilling card. First, gather your essential materials: paper strips, a quilling tool, and craft glue. You'll also need a sturdy cardstock base, typically around 5x7 inches, to ensure your finished card holds its shape beautifully. Make sure your workspace is clean and flat, providing the perfect foundation for your creative quilling journey. Now, let's dive into creating some basic quilling shapes. Start by rolling a paper strip tightly around your quilling tool to form a perfect tight coil. For a loose coil, allow the paper to expand a bit before gluing the end. You can then pinch these coils to craft elegant teardrops, marquees, or even eye shapes, which are fundamental for many designs. With your quilled shapes ready, it's time to design your card. Lightly sketch your desired pattern onto your cardstock base as a guide. Before applying any glue, arrange your quilled pieces to visualize the final layout and make any adjustments. Then, carefully apply tiny dots of craft glue to the bottom of each quilled shape, pressing gently to secure them in place. Once all your quilled elements are in place, allow the glue to dry completely, which usually takes about 30 minutes to an hour. For an extra touch of sparkle, you might consider adding a sprinkle of fine glitter or a few small beads. Finally, personalize your beautiful handmade quilling card with a heartfelt message inside, ready to delight its recipient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.